Hey guys, today I'll review this magnetic USB cable after I've used it for about 20 days. It's 1.2 meters long and nylon fiber woven. Here is the attachable lightning connector, and they are attached together using the magnetic power. Now let's see how it works. The blue LED light will be useful for charging at night without a light. The charge starts. We remove it and attach it. That's pretty cool and convenient. Besides charging, this cable can also be used for data transfer. There are two things I don't like. One is I need to keep the plug in my iPhone's charging port, and that makes my iPhone look untidy. Two is the cable. The cable's official site says it supports 3A quick charge, but I feel the charging speed is average during my use. Anyway, this magnetic USB cable is cool and convenient, but you need to accept this untidy plug. That's it. Thanks for watching.